Hi, so today we're going to talk about LinkedIn Sales Navigator. This is my LinkedIn profile. So you just go down here and you have Sales Navigator in your profile. Obviously, I have a Sales Navigator account, so I'll let you know. Basically, we're gonna see Sales Navigator in terms of if you want to find any leads for hiring purposes, and it can be used for hiring leads for other purposes as well. So here we are. This is the main interface of how it looks like, the Sales Navigator. And if you go down, so this is some of the work that I've already done. So majorly we are concerned with lead filters and account filters. The difference is lead filters, obviously, you have a lot of options over here that I'll go through one by one, in which you can go and find individual, obviously, accounts or the leads that you're looking for. And while if you go into account, it's like the official LinkedIn pages of different companies in different kind of industries that you can access through accounts. So I'm gonna, go down into both to let you know how it works. So if you go into the leads part, these are various filters that you have. For example, like I just, if we have a case, we wanna find sales executives in a particular region. Say you will first find in UAE, because that's the project that I was working on, finding sales executive in the UAE region, and then we can do it in some other region as well. So whenever we're gonna do such thing, the biggest filter that we have is of location. So if I write United Arab Emirates, so here we are, that's our first filter, and that's how you can see that we have almost 8 million results over here, right? We can have more than one location as well. For example, we need United Arab Emirates, and for example we need it in Qatar as well. So immediately when I add Qatar, you can see the number will change, it will increase, and we'll have more than almost 10 million plus. So that is how you can use this filter. So we're looking for sales executive in the United Arab Emirates. So the second filter that we use is current job title. So we can go for sales executive, right? Majorly we can use sales executive. If you want, you can add other titles as well. You can like use a sales assistant maybe. There's a list of options that you can will come in front of you, and immediately as soon as you keep adding, like I have sales executive and sales assistant, so we have 66,000 plus results. If I remove assistant, we are just left with 54,000 results. And then I can you know go one by one and see each particular like sales executive, and I can see their profile and their experience. While if you will try to search any individual in your regular LinkedIn account, you may not have access, or you may not be able to see your third level connections. This is obviously, you say the name is like you have Zahir Raza, and it's written it's my second level connection. So I can also go and see that which level connections I am seeing, and I can check that accordingly. For example, if I go in all filters once again, so I can go and see that I want connection which are not just second degree, just third degree as well. So it will show me all third degree connections that you can see, just right in front of the name, it's written third. So that's how you can look into that. So I'll just remove this filter over here, and then we can, uh, instead of like we added the job title sales executive, we can also select a function as well, like the department probably. So it's gonna be sales, and or we could add like we want sales in a particular area like operations. So it highly depends on how you want to do your search or what your requirement is, and accordingly you can cater to it. There are lots and lots of options over here. You can even say that need people with these title and who are in this company for less than a year or 1 to 2 years, or you want to see more stable ones 3 to 5 years, and it's gonna change according to your filters that you're gonna give over here. So it's how you play with it, how you change your preferences, and it's gonna do it accordingly as per your requirement. You can even select the profile languages, whether you want in English or in any particular other language. There are not, every option is available, but you get quite a number of options that you can pick up with. Then you can, as I told regarding the industry, so in industry as well, you can, if you want sales executive, for example, I was previously working on, so our sales executive requirement was from manufacturing industry. So it will probably give you sales executive from the manufacturing sector. You can see that it's now the result have decreased. It's 8.5 thousand. Previously, it was giving from all industries. So you can narrow your scope as well to make sure that you don't have to go through too much. If you want from real estate, you can get from real estate. From 54,000, you're left with 1,000. So industry can also help you out, and that's how you can use. You can even mention the schools, particularly if you want from a particular school years of experience. This can also help you out if you want somebody with like a little less experience, so you can select 1 to 2 years or less than 1 years, and it will 3,000 results. But if you want like 3 to 5 years, then it will give you accordingly. 3 to 5 years, like 5,000 results. So that's how it is. Similarly, there are some other options as well that you can go through with, and you can explore yourself, and it'll really help you out in getting to know or to use Navigator in a much effective way. Similarly, we have accounts. So for example, if you have an account, and as I said, like I was looking in a particular industry, so you are looking for, you can go directly into the industry. So manufacturing industry you want to know, and over here you don't have a location filter. So in this uh, particular, when you're looking for account, so you can use, like I usually use headquarter location. So if you want to use, you can probably, you say that United States, or if you are searching in United Arab Emirates, so it's gonna give you manufacturing industries or that you selected, particularly based in Dubai or in UAE, and you can go and particularly like these are some of the personas or some of the filter searches that I was using. So it will directly give you the sales executive. There are almost like 8,000 employees in this particular company, IFCO Group, food and beverage manufacturing. And these are some of the searches that I have, done and saved. So it directly gives me the sales executive or the search that I've made. So there are 321 employees that I can look into in this particular company, and then I can go through them. So this is also another way of finding leads by directly going into the company's accounts that are based in LinkedIn. So overall, a very, very handy tool. You can play with both accounts and leads. You have a messaging inbox as well separately, in which you can contact the particular individuals, and you have some credits, InMail credits that are available in Sales Navigator inbox. That are available on monthly basis, so you can use these, and you can contact even your third level connections that you can definitely not do in your free or your normal LinkedIn account. So it helps in that way as well. Overall, it's a very handy tool even in hiring, and it's much cheaper in price compared to the LinkedIn Recruiter Lite that you have. The difference is not too much, but it is, and this can also help you out in your hiring purpose or even finding leads. So, hope you like the session, and we'll stay in touch. Thank you so much.